We use most of our kit for producing short videos for customers, either promotional videos or very short training videos explaining new features. Now, these aren't the videos that are going to be displayed on large screens or submitted for film awards, but we do need to keep our users engaged with the content. Now, we like to mix in on-site video, so showing the app being used for managing memorial safety. Because we're doing all of this in a cemetery, we need to be respectful and reasonably quiet. So that's fine when we're doing drone mapping with a larger drone, because we can liaise with the cemetery staff and make sure there aren't any services booked. And of course the drone's usually high enough not to cause any noise problems, and it moves quickly, so it's not causing issues with privacy because it doesn't hover over people. Now, for training and promotional stuff, I do like to use a smaller drone. And I've just started using the DJI Neo 2. Now, the first thing I like about this drone is how easy it is to use and how quickly you can get it set up and up into the air. It's really light, of course, so you don't have to lug too much stuff around, and it does produce really usable footage. And for the sort of stuff that we produce, it's perfect. On top of this, you can control the drone in a number of different ways. You can use a regular DJI controller as you would any other drone, or you can use it in FPV mode using DJI goggles and a motion controller. Now, that's really good fun, but for the everyday stuff, I like to use it just on its own. So you can set the flight mode directly on the drone and launch it from your hand. The drone has a really good tracking feature too. It can track faster moving subjects such as bikes and people skiing. But again, for the kind of stuff that we produce and for our more sedate activities, this drone is perfect. You don't need to worry too much about it crashing when it follows you. Very occasionally it might catch a twig or struggle flying backwards into the sun, but the drone is pretty resilient. Now, my favorite feature is gesture control. You need to enable this in the settings from your smartphone, but this is a really useful feature. You can change the position of the drone during flight by just pointing your hand towards the drone. You can also alter the height of the drone or move it closer or farther away using the flat of your hand. Now, it sounds gimmicky, but it's really useful. Now, finally, another great feature with the DJI Neo 2 is master shots. Now, this is a series of 5 short automated flight routines that produce professional looking clips that you can edit and insert into your videos. Again, perfect for the kind of stuff that we produce, but it's also good for sharing trips with your family or friends. You get that really different, unique perspective of a drone video without some of the setup and the stress of using a larger drone. So, that's just a quick look at why the Neo 2 is my current favourite drone. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if this was helpful in the comments below. Cheers.